Worried about traveling with eggs? Don't be. Here are 3 ways to enjoy the delicious, nutritious power of eggs on your summer adventure. Number 1, take hard-cooked eggs. They can handle a little abuse, and they're one of my favorite ways to have a quick, easy snack on the go. Simply pack them in a container and put them in your cooler. What about taking raw eggs? Here's how I travel with them. I crack them and make my own liquid eggs, so I don't have to fight with a wet, soggy carton in the bottom of my cooler. You know what I mean? Remember, 3 tablespoons equals 1 egg. I take my beaten eggs and I put them in a container labeled how many eggs are in there, and I travel like this. And my final tip, pack an omelet in a bag. Prep all your ingredients and make that omelet in the convenience of your home kitchen. Add your favorite omelet ingredients. When it's breakfast time, I'm just gonna pour it into a hot pan with a little bit of oil and serve it with either wraps, toast, English muffins, whatever. There, breakfast is practically done. That is gonna be so good. Remember, whether raw or cooked, eggs are a perishable food and need to stay cool. Our Manitoba Egg Farmers follow strict guidelines to bring us safe eggs. Let's keep them that way, whether at home or on the road.